DJM TV.
Breaking news. Former governor of Imo State gets arrested by EFCC. Hey fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. A very big welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for all your breaking news and new gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If you're new here, you're very welcome. You're special. Please do not forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell. Like and share this video. Now to the news. The bad blood between the former Imo State Governor Rochas Okorocha, now a serving senator in the state, and his successor Hope Uzodinma, the current governor of Imo State, seems to be getting thicker by the day, as the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has just arrested the former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, over alleged money laundering. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission was said to have invited the former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, to their office to answer for an alleged amount that was recovered from his account and returned back to the state government of Imo State. But he refused to honor the invitation, and as such, operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, has been on his trail for days, and they were said to have stormed his private office in Abuja on Tuesday, the 13th of April, by 4 p.m. and got him arrested. The spokesman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, when contacted, confirmed that indeed the operatives of the EFCC had just arrested the former governor of Imo State. The anti-graft agency had said that it recovered 2.7 billion naira from Okorocha's account and returned it to the state government. The zonal head of the EFCC Port Harcourt office, Imam Usman, has said that the return fund was also a part of the 7.9 billion naira that was recovered from his different account in another bank, but was linked to the ex-governor of Imo State. He also said further that 2.5 billion naira was returned under the short-lived administration of Emeka AS HE DEY HOT, the immediate past governor of Imo State, while the incumbent governor of the state had received a total of 514 million naira stolen funds of the state. It will be recalled that earlier this year, 2021, the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, had accused Rochas Okorocha of misappropriating the state's fund and using it for his own personal needs. And as such, this led to the sealing of the hotel owned by his wife and the university that was owned by him. The name of the university was later changed to carry the name of an illustrious son of Imo State. Also, in February, Senator Rochas Okorocha had accused Hope Uzodinma of unleashing the EFCC and the Independent Corrupt Practices Commission, ICPC, against him, Senator Rochas Okorocha. He also said that the state government of Imo State have not been able to prove the corruption allegation they are laying against him and his family in court. While speaking, he said that he was never a poor man before he became the governor of Imo State, and he said whatever he brought to the table as the state governor of Imo State, he brought to his children to invest and for everybody to also invest in the state. Of course, this is not the first time that Senator Rochas Okorocha is being arrested by the present government of the Imo State. In February, he was arrested over allegedly unsealing Spring Palm Estate, which was linked to his wife, Nkechi Okorocha. It was also reported then, we brought you the report then, that the Imo State government had sealed the estate and other properties, and he claimed that the Okorocha family had diverted the funds of the state into building of houses and estate, and as such, those properties that the senator acquired were illegal and they belonged to the government of Imo State. And Senator Okorocha has always maintained that the properties belongs to him legitimately and also to his family members. After the face-off with the police and the subsequent arrest, Senator Rochas Okorocha was later released that day, but 14 of his loyalists were taken to court. They were tried and fined accordingly. A group known as the Northern Elders Forum has said that the feud between Rochas Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma is not unconnected to the 2023 presidential election, as they believe that the duo has an interest in the seat of presidency of the nation. Meanwhile, both Hope Uzodinma and Rochas Okorocha are staunch members of the All Progressive Congress Party, which indeed is the ruling party of Nigeria. Well, drop your comment in the comment section and tell us what you think about the arrest of Rochas Okorocha. Do you think that what Hope Uzodinma is doing is the right way to go or not? Drop your comment and your opinions in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you've not done so and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop any news stories or an update on this story. Do not forget to like, share this video, and also follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course TikTok. Do not also forget to check out our website at www.djmtv.news. And don't forget, the most importantly, that you can place your advert with us and be rest assured that you will be smiling to the bank. Well, until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, do not forget, I am your girl and sister, Lawuru Favor, saying, a house that is divided against itself cannot stand.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.